Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss about how to create a privacy policy page in WordPress. Every website has its own privacy policy page and which shows its policies about its company. So there is a WordPress dashboard which has a default privacy policy page. We can see that in this privacy policy page here is about company, about its cookies and all data which is the policy of company. This is the default privacy policy page of WordPress. We can edit it and we can create a new privacy policy page through privacy setting. So we will click on privacy setting by going to settings. This is privacy setting. Here is some text which is show us how can we create it. We can edit it and preview it. There is a option of change privacy policy page. We can change any page to our privacy policy page, or also we can create a new page for making it privacy page. So we will create a new page here. We will click on it. Okay, here is our privacy policy page which has its default content. We don't have to do anything in it. We simply publish it and see in front. After publishing, we can see that the page which we have created is now created behind, and we can review it from here. As we can see that our privacy policy page which is created from setting is shown in front. So we can also use any page as our privacy policy page from the drop down menu. Here is the pages which we have in it. To select it, we will create first a new page from here. We will create a new page as its title, new privacy policy. Okay, we will publish it. After publishing it, we have a new page, and now we again go to our privacy setting. We will select the new page and click on use this page. Okay, now after selecting, we can see that if it is showing in front end, so we will view it and see that the privacy policy page has been created. This is, but the content is not, because we haven't input any content here. To do this, we have privacy policy generator. Here we have to fill some information like company name, website name, and a website URL. We will fill a website URL and a company name or our website name. We will click on next. We have some option here. We will have to finish it. Okay, now we will click on it, and now we will select our country and state, and also our email address. We will click on generate my privacy policy. After clicking it, here is our privacy policy page or content. This is the URL which we can put anywhere, and also full text which we can copy to clipboard. We will click on copy text to clipboard and simply go to our page. Now we will edit it and paste the code or text. We will paste it. So this is our WP shop mark privacy page. It's a dummy page. We will update it and we can see that new page has been created for our company. Here we can see that this is our content, like how we use our information, keys and some other information. We can also edit it. So this is how we can create our privacy policy page through WordPress privacy setting and from privacy policy generator. So that's all. This is how we can create it and use in any website. We can edit and view and check the guidelines for this. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.